be someone's wife, so I don't have to do this. To do what, bitch? Dear future husband, what do you want to eat today? What do you want me to cook today? You want me to cook this? Okay. Alright, perfect. He just gave me his card. Oh my lord, that kind of life I want. Just want to stay at home, right? Ask my ex of 3 years. We're living together. I act like a fucking wife. Just no rings. Can't wait. I'm gonna deactivate my Instagram until I'm the one who experienced that shit. Got engaged, pregnant, then I'll be using my Instagram back. But for now, it's fucking hurt my fucking brain, bitch. Enjoy Ali. Who's Ali? Ali is a male. But that's the thing. I don't want to be dominant in my relationship. Because being dominant, that's mean you have a masculine energy. I want to be having feminine energy. I know I'm still feisty, but I don't want to have that side of me in my next relationship. You know what I mean? I don't want that. Because a good woman, best woman, it's when they have their feminine energy around their men, not the other way around. I'm too coward to say it through my mouth, but yeah, just text. So I want this. What are you guys thinking? I'm asking for a fucking expensive purse? Vacation? No. I'm asking something that I think he will understand, and it's very heart touching. There you go. Hi, future husband. You guys are so cute. He knows what I'm doing. But of course, I'm pretty sure if he marry me, he's gonna ask me to stop what I'm doing, especially OnlyFans. Makes sense. You know this OnlyFans Australian girl? She was pregnant, but she's not married. And then she asked my ex, because they used to do normal content on Instagram together, and it's like, hey, can you take it down, because like now I'm being a mom, you know, and I also don't do any more OnlyFans content, so please can you respect me? Nah, that's so unfortunate. If my old video content that I used to make with whoever still go viral, whatever, I'll let it be there. I won't ask them to take it down. I mean, that's your history, you know what I mean? Why would you need to make them to erase it? Alright, I'm done.